Listen to the rhythm of technology and explore the mysteries of electronics. To present you the essence of the Winsock brand WSP4406 single N-channel Mosfet. This component is exquisitely packaged and designed with SOP-8 with fresh batch numbers. Guaranteed 2023 leading technology, massive inventory, have 225,302,689 pieces waiting for you to discover. It can withstand 30V drain source voltage, 12A drain current, with a low RDS on of only 9.5 milliohms, excellent performance. 20V gate source voltage, and 6.3 nanolibrary gate charge ensure fast response. 2.5 nanosecond reverse recovery time for high-speed switching. The maximum dissipation power of 3.1 watts makes it work stably in various environments. Enhanced configuration, maintaining efficient performance over a wide temperature range of -50 to 150 degrees. Suitable for all kinds of household appliances, is the ideal choice for your product upgrade. If you are interested in this, welcome to learn more details via private letter. Let's unlock new possibilities of technology together.